Okay, traders, this is Masood from London. I have brought to you today another week's analysis, market analysis with the marked charts, week starting from 21st of June to 25th of June 2021. The main, purpose and the main, crux of forex trading is how to properly mark the important support and resistance levels. If you are able to do that, then trading becomes very easy in between and around those levels. So what I do is every week I among other videos, every weekend I launch a next week's market analysis with the marked charts on different pairs, and it's getting very popular. People give me feedback that it has made the trading a lot easier for them. If you like these type of easy videos, easy to understand, please subscribe the channel if you haven't done so yet. Press the bell icon because some of the videos are time sensitive. I also drop during the week, sometimes one or two setups, quick setups of a pair if I think they are on a important level. Just make a quick video clip, and I just put it on my YouTube channel to help the new to semi-new traders. And these videos are time sensitive, so you have to press the bell icon to get the notification, otherwise it might be too late. And also please press the like button as well if you like the videos. Let's go to the charts. Traders, first pair is Bitcoin BTC USD daily time frame. Excuse me. As you can see that it is going down since a long time, and then since many days it has been moving inside this range. Now if you go on lower time frame, whichever you like, 4 hour or 1 hour, you can trade this inside these this range very easily. Just keep on if it give you price action at the support level, just take it up, and from there, if you see the price action, bring it down, take it up, bring it down, take it up, bring it down. So a lot of easy. It's the most easy trading to do is inside a range. Now it is last Friday it has closed on a very with a very strong bearish candle, but it hasn't broken this support level yet. If it breaks it down, and if it is not a fake breakout like this one, for example, this was a fake breakout. It tried to break it, and then the bulls pushed it back, and then it went into the range again. If it breaks it down, then it will be a strong breakout, because as you can see that since many days it hasn't broken either this or this level, support or resistance level. Then it can go further down. Otherwise, if you see the wick rejections, you can see my price action video in the channel, and with a bullish candle, then you can bring it to your stop loss small. You always have take the trades near the zones, because that gives you a very small stop loss on the other level, on the other side, and a good amount TP. If you take it from here, TP will be here, stop loss will be here. If you take it from here, TP stop loss will be on this side, and TP will be around here. So that's the first pair. Go down on your favorite entry time frame, 4 hour or 1 hour. This is the daily. Daily is the best time to mark the charts. It makes it so easier to see the directional bias, and then on lower time frames you can trade in between these ranges. Next pair is gold. I have marked all the important levels for you guys on a daily time frame. As you can see, these are all the major levels that I have marked. You can stop the video, and on this right side you can see these black numbers that are black background and with white foreground. You can mark these chart according to that, and go on lower time frames and just keep on doing your trading inside these levels, whatever 4 hour or 1 hour. Just if you see, don't never trade in the middle of any two levels, because then your stop loss will be too big. So either see the price action, wick rejections, if it comes here and a bullish candle, stop loss on this side, TP here. If it comes here and it rejects, wick rejections, bearish candle, stop loss on this side, TP around this level. And if it breaks all these levels, then you can just put the stop loss on the other side and TP to the next level. So these are the important levels. I hope you will be able to enjoy gold trading in between these levels. Traders, next pair is NZD-JPY daily time frame. As you can see that it was going up since long time, and then it has broken this major daily support level. And now if you go on 1 hour time frame, you can see that there is a trend going on 1 hour as well. So as soon as it is on this side, on the bottom of this trend line, you can just nearer the trend line you can keep on taking the sell trades. For example, you could have taken here one, and then here one again, and then here another one here. So as soon as it goes near the trend line, rejects it, see the bearish candle, you can take the trades, keep on doing until it doesn't break the trend line towards the other side, and then it might be the signal of a reversal. And it also has broken very strongly this level, so it might go back and retest it and then come back further down. So that was NZD-JPY. Next pair is NZD-CAD daily time frame. As you can see, it's going down since long time, and it broke this major support level and then created this support level, and it is moving inside that. There is a daily trend line as well. If it breaks down this level, then it can go further down. Otherwise, if it breaks up this trend line, then it can go back to retest this level, and that will be a good opportunity. Stop loss on this side and TP around this level. Similar kind of situation on NZD-CHF daily time frame. It's going down. That's the trend line. It has broken this major support level. Now if you go on your favorite entry time frame, 4 hour or 1 hour, whichever you like, you can go and you can take this pair along, if it keeps underneath this trend line, you can bring it down, wherever it goes. And if it breaks above this trend line, then it can go further up and retest this level again. And if it breaks above this which is a resistance level now, and this trend line here, then it can start going up. Traders, the next pair is GBP-CHF daily time frame. As you can see that it made this high, higher high, and then it's made a supply zone here and came down heavily at this point, and then it went into range since many days now. So as I said before in another pair, that in the range the trading is very easy. Just nearer the range you can trade it like that. Stop loss would be another side, and TP towards the other level. And again, if it keeps on moving inside this range, nearer the ranges you can take trades, and if it breaks up, it's very much possible that it will be retest this supply zone and come down again. And if it breaks down, then there was this was a demand zone here, which it can come down and retest. So then you can take a trade towards this demand zone as well. So very important. You can get a lot of trading opportunities in GBP-CHF. Go on lower time frames and monitor it, please. Next pair is the Euro-NZD daily time frame. As you can see that major support level that was not broken since many days. It has been broken now with a very big bullish candle. Now I mean, go on, you can go on lower time frames, 4 hour or 1 hour, and if it comes back and retest it, gives the price action, wick rejections and bullish candle, then you can take a buy trade from here. And if it doesn't come down to retest this daily level, then there is a 4 hour level as well that was broken, major level. It might come down to this 4 hour level and retest it, and with a bullish candle, then you can take a buy trade from here as well. But if this level is broken down, then it might retest this level and then go up. So I mean, there are a couple of good chances coming up, I think, in Euro NZD. Again, traders, next pair is Euro CAD, Euro CAD daily time frame. As you can see that it came down heavily and then gone. It's moving in this range, resistance and support level. It's just so you can keep on trading inside this these two levels. Go on lower time frames, get some good trading opportunities. You know, and if these levels are broken, then definitely there are high chances that if it breaks up, then it will come up to these levels, you know, these higher levels. And if this level is broken down, then it will come, you know, I can't see any level on daily time frame. Let's see. Yeah, there is a weekly time frame, this level, but this, look at this candle. Oh wow. Oh, I mean, I don't know what happened at this time when it was, oh, in 24th of February last year. Yeah. Anyway, so this is EuroCAD. You can get good opportunities in these ranges. Next pair is Euro AUD daily time frame. As you can see that this level was strong level was broken, and then it was retested and the market went up again. If you go on 1 hour time frame, as you can see that there is a trend line going on. So along this trend line, unless it stays on this side of the trend line, you can mirror the trend line. After seeing the price action, wick rejections, bullish candles, you can take it further up, and you can you know, see there will be a divergence as well. You know, there is a divergence going on as well, but how to trade the divergence, always remember that divergence can keep on going on and on and on, many multiple divergences, but until this trend line is not broken, never trade the divergence on its own. When this trend line is broken, then there can be a sign, you know, that will be another confluence along with the divergence, that it can go down. Next pair is Euro CHF daily time frame. As you can see, there is a flag pattern. That's the pole, and this is the flag, which is a very long flag. It looks like it is since many days. It's trading inside this range. Very you know, good chance to trade inside the range, you know. Last week I sent this pair as well. It was on here on this bullish blue candle, this one on 14th of January, last Monday, and I said in my analysis that there can be a good nearer these levels. You can trade this pair, and that's what happened. I mean, if you know, I don't know if you have taken this trade or not. You could have gone on the lower time frames, 4 hour or 1 hour, whatever is your liking, and from somewhere there you could have taken the trade and took it up, you know, towards there. I took this trade, and it was more than 2.5 RR on this trade, but it is still inside this range, and you can get more trading opportunities. Next pair is traders USD JPY daily time frame. As you can see that it is on a very strong daily resistance level. It couldn't break it here, and then came back down, and then it's again on this level with a bearish candle. Now you can monitor this pair, and you know, after seeing the price action, it can go further down. Your TPs can be here, TP1, TP, you know, 2, TP3, etc. And if this level is broken upwards, then it can go further up. then you can either, if you are a breakout trader, if it breaks with a bullish momentum candle, fat candle, then you can take it further up. And if you are a break and retest trader, you can wait for the retest, and then after seeing the wick rejection bullish candle, you can take it from here. I usually use both the strategies, because sometimes the levels are broken and they are never retested, and the trades are, a lot of traders miss, break and retest traders. So I enter in a breakout trade as well, and if it comes down to retest, I use my half my lot size with a breakout trade, and then the other half, if it retests, then I enter again with the other half and take the trades further up or down. Again, traders, AUD, CHF, daily time frame, similar situation, pole, flag pattern, parallel trend lines, and just go on. You can go on lower time frames and keep on trading nearer these levels, up and down. A lot of trading opportunities until these levels are broken. And the last pair is traders oil daily time frame. As you can see that this major resistance level was broken, and now this trade is at this point. If you go on 4-hour time frame, you can see that this trend line was broken down, retested, and then it went down, and then there is another trend line is in place. So unless it stays on this side of this trend line, you can just keep on trading it, bring it down towards these levels, near the trend line. It can keep on doing this and going down, and if this trend line is broken, then you can it can go further up. So yeah, I mean, you can monitor US oil as well. That is the analysis for next week, starting from 21st of June, traders. I hope you will enjoy your trading, and if you do, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and press the like button as well for the YouTube algorithms. Until next video, traders, look after yourselves.